What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to refund channel points on Twitch, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, the Twitch channel points are a reward system for streamers to incentivize their viewers to continue watching their content and engage with their channel. So how can you actually refund those points? So step 1 is log into your Twitch account and click on your profile. Go to creator dashboard and click on the viewer rewards tab section, choose channel points and then manage rewards. Then select challenges and a pop-up will appear. From there you'll want to select review request queue. From there all the viewer channel points will appear in the reward queue. So step 2 is find the specific redemption. In the list of rewards that have been redeemed, you will see two options on the bottom right corner: complete all or reject all. If you reject all, then all of your channel points rewards that have been redeemed will be refunded. If you don't want to reject all, simply navigate to right corner of each redeem reward and there will be an option to complete and reject. Click reject to refund the channel points. Step 4, notify the viewer. It's a good practice to notify the viewer of the refund through Twitch's chat or direct message. This will help you maintain a good real relationship with them. So basically guys, that's the entirety of the process on how to refund a channel points. So basically guys, as I mentioned earlier, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.